How to buy MONEYGLITCH.fun token. So this token came under the symbol of glitch. Now before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the MEXC account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to go and engage with their community, as you can see here. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 4 hours ago and increased by 5,000% in the last 24 hours. And this token, as you can see, you can be able to buy it via your wallet or in your wallet. Now click here to copy the token address and open your funds wallet wallet, as you can see. After that, click on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. And after that, click here and paste token address in the search bar. So as you can see, we can't find this token in our phantom wallet. So to be able to buy this token, we will use the Radium for it. Now go to Radium like that and just go and enter the website. And after that, what you need to do, just wait a few seconds to load this page. Now first of all, what you need to do, just click on cancel and now connect your wallet. So select your wallet from here. I suggest to use the phantom wallet, as you can see. So after you connect your wallet to Radium, if you don't find your token here on the bottom, now you just go back to this token page on the screener and just click here to copy it, the token address of that token. After that, go back to Radium, click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on add token and click on it again to be able to see it here. Now from the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with. For example, I will use this Solana for that, like that. So after that, now just select it, as you can see. Now after that, here you can type how much you want to buy. And here you will be able to see how much you receive. And after that, as you can see, click on more info. And now make sure to read over that information. As you can see, you need at least 0.01 to pay for the fee and deposit. Now just increase that to 0.5, as you can see. So it's still this warning. Just keep upgrading this amount. Now after that, click on swap and a pop-up will be appearing from your phantom wallet to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy glitch token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.